Talk. As everybody won't use Verydarkman take shine, Verydarkman will use everybody take shine. The truth is, if he touch Moscow, he go touch New York. If Biden send bomb go Moscow, Putin go send bomb go New York, everybody go collect. That is why I say, if he touch Moscow, he go touch New York. Now, they say, stop enabling all these young boys and elders, blah, 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 blah talk. The blog should stop posting blah, 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 blah. From who to who? The only reason why you people are angry, it is because, yes, this is the only person that can scatter a lot of evil things in you people's face. The youth, they cry since they never hear your voice before for one day when it comes to one important thing. Now, they carry money, they spray up and down, they use it until they buy people conscience. The youth are looking for employment in Nigeria. You they carry alcohol, come Nigeria, come drop for them. Hey, we don't have a job, or you take alcohol and drink. We don't have a job, or you take this one and drink. Ah, you don't like this bitters, drink it. We don't worship money, my brother man. As soon as one day chook una mouth or it no consign una. Now here we balance for this ground. Have you gone to the north? You think you have money? Kashiga chicken northern states kadeka gensu masu arewa mutani de suna de kudi baswa in cho that arewa bro, they don't do cho. Those are the men with the God as men that have money. This is about all this social media bull crap. It is because the youths don't have their priorities straight. If not, the people that they see at the top, they cannot see all these ones from my front. You know how I see them? I just see them as regular people. Nigerian youth, I never see youth regular like this youth from my life. You are protecting rich people that their money will never get to you. Their money no fit ever touch your hand. Can never touch your hand. There's a certain Igbo man inside prison for how many months now? You don't enter 1 year, be 2 years. You don't dey prison. They never hear your voice before. They have not heard your voice. Oh, Verydarkman talk. Everybody, they give their opinion. Oh, blogs are posting him. This one is doing this. Go to the doors. Bro, you get fans, I get fans. You understand? You get your own people where go, I get my own people. You get money, I no get, but I get my mouth. Don't put my borrow over. Do you understand? I stay in the north. We don't worship money in the north. We respect the people's personality in the north. We don't do all those, this one get money. And most of these people, they invest and not they follow them for Instagram. I swear to God, because I don't worship them. They need you to worship. I don't worship you. Do you pay my bills? Do you pay my bills? See, the blogs should not post him. Do the blogs pay my bills? 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 The blogs, nigga, go and sit your ass down. Go and meet your young boys so that they carry you as godfathers. I don't know you people from nowhere. You never. All those one on our business. Do you understand? If you want to put your mouth for this matter, you go collect. The whip go touch you. You go and learn. Don't play. Don't play.